Hi everybody, it's Peter, and today I will show you how I made this concrete elephant sculpture with text-to-image AI generator help. In this video I am using Midjourney AI, but there are a lot of generators now, and link to some of them you can find in this video description. After I decided what sculpture I want to make, I made a grid on the image so I can transfer it to a cardboard. I cut and glued cardboard for a base. The main body was sculpted with oil-based clay. For some fine details, I used tool I made myself. After clay sculpture was finished, I prepared it for silicone casting. Final detail, my signature plate. Four layers of platinum-based silicone with some additional separators made of soda cans, and you can find more information about these steps in my previous videos. After silicone was fully cured, I started with 2-part gypsum shell. When shell became cold, I disassembled it, took out clay sculpture and combined all parts together with a rope. In the next step, I poured in regular Portland cement mix, then waited overnight and took out final concrete sculpture. After some varnish, my AI-generated sculpture was finally finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can find more sculptures in my Instagram. Thanks, and see you in my next video.